Hello everyone, welcome to the commentator. Today we are going to discuss the big final, India versus Pakistan, the final of the Asia Cup 2025, and let's talk about Pakistan's game plan here. First of all, the plan should be very simple. Go on, win the toss and choose to ball first. And when you are bowling, you have got the main bowler Shaheen Shah Afridi, go on the attack. Left-handed batsman Abhishek Sharma, who has been absolutely destructive this Asia Cup, attack him, because we have seen in recent times that he struggled on a very good length, a short delivery coming up to his body and a bit of swing away from the left-hander will trouble him. If you're gonna ball in the slot or gonna ball half short deliveries on leg stump, he will easily pull you out of the park. So first of all, this is going to be the game plan against their premium batsman. And secondly, if you find the wicket giving a hint of seam like we see in the last game of India-Pakistan, give the second over immediately to Fahim Ashraf, because he bowled brilliantly off the length, and the wicket of Shubman Gill was an example of that. And if you find that it's a typical Dubai wicket with getting spin out of the surface, so go on with Abrar Ahmed and Mohammad Nawaz. Leave alone Saim Ayub. He is a part-time bowler. He may give you wickets in the power play or after the power play, but he is not a genuine wicket taker or genuine bowler. Let him free his arms in the bat. So against this run of play, when you get on the attack to India, restrict them to 160, 170. This is very much chaseable in Dubai. Okay, then now we came to batting. Open up with Fakhar Zaman and Saib Zada Farhan. Give them full authority to go and on the attack to the Indian bowlers. Fakhar Zaman we have seen struggling for rotation of strike and boundaries. And Saib Zada Farhan, he has scored a 50 in the last game, but was struggling as well to rotate strike. First of all, give them confidence to go there and perform the best they can. And then one down Saim Ayub, and then please let Mohammad Haris to bat in, because we have seen him. He has got a potential to score some runs, but due to the lack of planning in the middle order and the batting order, he has not been performing up to mark. Sometime he gets to bat at number 7, sometime number 8, sometime he gets in at number 5. So this is not the proper way. Get your proper batting lineup, Fakhar Zaman, Farhan, Saim Ayub, Mohammad Haris. Then you should get Hassan Nawaz in the side as well, because he is a destructive middle order batsman with over 150 strike rate. Get in that, then Salman Ali Agha, Mohammad Nawaz, Fahim Ashraf. So the mindset should be very clear, and the batting and bowling lineup should be absolutely clear, that who is gonna bowl the first over and the second over, who's gonna bowl in the power play, who's gonna bowl after the power play. And when you are chasing some kind of total, you should be very clear in your mind that these two guys are opening the innings, this will come in one down, this will handle the middle order, and these guys will finish the game for us. So this is very much important, which we have seen that Pakistan have lacked in this Asia Cup. Very uncertainties in the side. Sometimes Haris is batting at 4, sometimes Agha is batting at 4, sometime Hassan Nawaz is let out of the team, Fahim Ashraf scoring some runs. So, however, Pakistan have qualified for the final, but if you want to win the final, you will have to play very professionally.